Do you need bathroom repairs? Nothing can disrupt the rhythm of your day like a leaky tap keeping you awake at night, a blocked drain turning your morning shower into a paddling pool, or those aged fixtures just not aligning with your style. Homeowners commonly face these issues, and they can quickly turn your personal sanctuary into a point annoyance. Don't let your plumbing or fixtures become a bother. If you're facing any of these issues, give us a call at 877-355-9149. Our team of experienced professionals is ready to handle all your bathroom repair needs in San Diego, California. We bring years of expertise to every job, ensuring your bathroom gets the attention it deserves. From minor fixes like tightening a loose towel rack to major renovations like replacing an outdated bathtub, we're equipped to tackle it all. And our commitment? That's to quality workmanship and your complete satisfaction every single time. From leaky faucets to clogged drains, we've got you covered. To get started, give us a call at 877-355-9149. Are you ready to get your bathroom back in top shape? Don't let a leaky faucet or a clogged drain ruin your day. It's time to take action. Scheduling an appointment with our team is as easy as pie. We understand that your time is valuable, which is why we offer flexible scheduling options to work around your busy day. Whether it's early in the morning or late in the evening, our team of professionals is ready to swoop in and handle all your bathroom repair needs. Think about the peace of mind you'll have, knowing that your bathroom is in the hands of experts who pride themselves on quick, efficient, and top-quality service. The solution to your bathroom woes is just a phone call away. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. Call 877-355-9149 now to schedule an appointment. We look forward to serving you.